Walsh, and I'm the editor of International Family Law, published by Children's. And today we're here to talk about the future of the journal, obviously, and of international family law, particularly on the really extraordinary event, which was the retirement of Lord Justice Thorpe, who has done so much over the last few years to promote England and Wales in the international jurisdiction and to bring the Commonwealth jurisdictions together in an unprecedented way. So, Lord Justice Thorpe, welcome. In fact, you're Sir Matthew Thorpe now, aren't you?
I am. That's correct. Yes. That's correct. And I have been consulting editor since the launch of the journal.
Which was in the 1990s, wasn't it?
It was a while ago.
Yes, yes.
And I think in its early days, it was not very well edited. And it's really come to its own since you took over.
Thank you. But we have the enormous number of contributors, and of course the number of contributors is growing as international law plays such a huge part in people's lives nowadays. I mean, I should think we've all got relations, family, who could at any moment come within the jurisdiction of family law in other countries.
Yes, I mean, when the journal was launched, it was quite a speculative beginning, and credit to Jordan's for taking the gamble. But family law internationally has grown not only in volume but also in importance hugely, and that has really given the journal a great boost.
Because you in fact created the judicial network that now exists. Is that fair to say?
Well, I was the first to propose it, but its development is hugely thanks to the Hague Conference, who've done so much to support the notion and to turn it into a reality.
And you were appointed head of international family justice for England and Wales in
2000.
2000, thank you, Ed.
2005.
Yes, and since then has it been your main purpose to establish the judicial network?
Well, my main purpose has been really to represent England, Wales in the international on the international scene, and to run the office for international family here in London. But of course, developing the collaboration between judges has been part and parcel.
And what do you think, now that you're retired, what do you think the future is of this?
Well, it is secure in that Lady Justice Black, assisted by Mr. Justice Moylan, is taking on the office. And Edward, who's been legal secretary for the last 12 months, is succeeded by Penny Langdon, who's a very experienced lawyer in the President's office. So I'm perfectly certain that the future is secure and that England and Wales will continue to lead in international judicial collaboration.
Good. And can I just mention that the special issue that we did for you, which here it is, you're obviously pleased with the result, and hopefully we hope to keep up the standard of that issue, because I think it's probably one of the best issues we've ever produced. with the help of Edward, who is staying on as one of our editors. Anything more you'd like to say, Matthew, your future plans?
Well, I think I would like to say that there is a retrospective view and a prospective view. And if you look retrospectively and see how much has been accomplished since the launch of the journal, and if you make the not unreasonable assumption that no less will be achieved in the next 15 years, it's impossible to say how exciting the developments may not be. And I'm sure that the international families who in the end turn in crisis to international family law deserve just that. And we who are specialist professionals, judges, practitioners, policymakers, legislators, we have a shared obligation to develop international family law and to develop international practice so that the law we have works better. And the journal has a key role in disseminating information, announcing new developments, and carrying articles which will inform, enlighten, and maybe inspire practitioners and judges who are either on the verge, on the fringe, or who are semi-specialist in the field, or who are wholly devoted to this special work.
So Matthew, thank you very much.